everyone. My name is Jenil Jain. I am from SMT NHL Medical College, Ahmedabad. I got to know about DigiNerve from my senior, Yash Thumbar. He is a very good senior and he is a university ranker as well. What I use mostly about DigiNerve is their microbiology notes. Whenever I had my exam, like internal exam, prelim exams or internal 2 exams, I used to quickly go through the microbiology notes. They are like very short and sweet notes. Like in that they have removed everything about the grammar. Like जो फालतू का नहीं है, is, the, blah blah सब हटा दिया, point wise लिख दिया. वही मेरे को read करके exam में लिखना है. So it's very helpful in that. Microbiology, if I say the lab diagnosis of various topics, उसके अंदर crisp points आ गए, फिर pathogenesis के अंदर series wise एक flow chart आ गई, so that really helped me. To get taught by Apurba, the professor who wrote the book, and it feels nice. Apurba knows what he is teaching. If I would say, Apurba has written the book, and I guess all over pan-India that book has been followed for microbiology, and it is a very good book, and even the teaching of Apurba is good. I can trust Dr. Apurba for my microbiology study. The notes of DigiNerve are illustrated as well as concise for pathology and microbiology both. Top dog बने वही जिसका guide हो सके.